Guys, see this. By just translating a language into an English language, okay, I'm getting paid $50 to $100. Okay, and I do it absolutely. I'll show you a simple trick how you yourself can get this job. Okay, you do not need to be a translator or so. You can do it quickly. Okay, you can see other jobs as well, guys. $100 to $250 by just translating Portuguese to English translation. Okay, and there are other things as well, guys. If you are a writer or any niche, you are $1,000 to $3,000 you can get from this website, and you do not have to spend more rigorous time, guys. You can see whatever niche you are having, whether you are an IT programmer, whether you are designing, multimedia, writing, sales, and whatever aspect of your niche is, okay, no matter where are you from, you can earn money online by just performing some simple steps, which I just show you step by step how you yourself can earn money online by performing some simple steps. Okay guys, just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn money online. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you a different and new website how you can earn money online by just doing freelancer job on this website. Okay guys, it's completely free because no registration charges and it's absolutely free. You can give your service to this website and it's absolutely genuine, guys. Okay, you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket in order to do the registration. Okay, and it's absolutely free. You can perform and give various kind of services to this website. You can do copyrights and translations, guys, by using the Google Translate. You all know this thing. By making mobile applications, if you are a programmer or so, you can do it. If you are a designer, you can also perform your freelance job. And guys, you can see the reputed companies like Uber and Unilever are the partners of these of this website. Okay guys, and you can see, guys, ample of top skills this website is offering you. Okay, so you have to watch this video till the end because, guys, there is a basic perspective of doing registration on this website. Okay, you have to do first registration and then only you can perform your service on this website. You can see, guys, worldwide monthly project rate is having 30,000 plus and 33,000 users are online and more than 2 million freelancers are working on here. If we can compare it with worldwide, guys, there is a great opportunity to become a freelancer in this website and it's completely genuine. So I'll show you step by step how you need to register on this website. Okay, the website link is on the description box, so you can check it out. Okay, so I just need to click on this register button, guys. I just click on this register button and it will redirected me to a different page. Okay, so what I just need to do, work as a freelancer or hire a freelancer. So I just want to hire as a freelancer. Okay, work as a freelancer. So what do I need to do? You can do the sign up part with Google, Facebook, or you can do it manually. I just prefer to do it manually. Okay guys, so I just write my name. Okay, I just write my name, my email ID. Okay, and my password. Okay, and just click on this create your account. So guys, it will send me a verification activation link, okay, on my mail ID. So it will take some time to come up the activation link. Okay guys, so just wait for this and you can see, guys, this is my activation link and just click on this activate your account. Just click on this activate your account. Okay, so it will redirected me to a next page. I'm not skipping any part, guys, because lots of my subscribers are telling that, sir, please don't skip each and individual part because we are struggling with these kind of things. Like we are unable to do certain things that is very mandatory. Okay, we are unable to do. So I'm just not skipping each and every part. Just click on this start and you can select your own niche, guys. Okay, whether you are an IT professional, designer, writing and translation, you can do it. Okay, I just show you the writing and translation. Okay guys, and you can give various kind of things. Article writing I can give. Okay, I can give another niche as well. You can select the years of experience and just click on this ad, and you can see guys, within article writing I'm having more than 10,000 projects. You can see guys, if you are performing single project, okay guys, if you are performing a single project, you are getting paid a good amount. Okay, just click on this next, and guys, what I just need to do, I just need to give a title tag. I am a professional writer. Okay, whatever you are guys, if you are a graphic designer, you can do it, and set up your profile pic guys. Okay, I just set up my profile pic. Okay, I just search my profile pic, and let's suppose guys, I have set up one profile pic. Okay, I just set up this profile pic. Okay, you can see guys, it is uploading. Yeah, so I just click on this next. Okay, and about me guys, you need to put some of the it's very important for you to give a small description about yourself. Okay, I can give, I am a professional writer. Okay, I am a professional writer. Okay, having more than 5 years of experience. Okay, and give the project within the project's deadline. Okay, I just gave a small description about myself. Okay, work history guys, work history, you just need to give a simple work history. For the demo part, I can say that I have written multiple articles on my blogs and invest my contribution to other websites as well. Okay, you can give your own description guys. I have done this because of just a demo. I just show you. Okay, you can select your own, and whatever language you are compatible with guys, there are lots and lots of languages you can see. Okay, you can perform your freelancing. If you are watching this video worldwide, you can do it. Okay, I am a fluent or advanced. I just say that I am a fluent in English. Okay, just click on next. Oh, I just need to add this thing. Okay guys, and just click on this next. Okay guys, you can see guys, your profile is pending. Okay, we will review this shortly. This process may takes 2 weeks. You will be notified via email. Okay, I just need to continue this thing. So I am good to go guys. Okay, I am good to go. Now I'll show you guys what are the projects this project will give you activation. Guys, they will show you that it will take 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, don't worry about it. It will show you I'll show you step by step. Guys, if you are not an article writer, you can use these websites. I'll show you free article factory, I should say, article factory. Okay, this is a website guys where you can get more articles. I have article writing job guys. You can see find projects. I just click on this find projects, and there are hundreds and hundreds of writing skills. You can see guys, there are lots and lots of writing and translation jobs. Okay, you just need to do one thing guys. You can see $50 to $100 this website will give me by just doing the translation, by just translating it to different language. Okay, they have posted this in some language. Okay, I just see this thing. Okay, don't worry guys, if you do not understand these kind of language, you just need to come up in this Google Translator. Okay, because lots and lots of people are having this problem, sir, I don't understand the language they are posting. Because guys, worldwide, people from worldwide are posting their jobs on this website. So do not worry about it, just copy this whole thing. Okay guys, just copy this whole thing, just need to copy this thing and just come up in this Google Translator, and it will auto detect. You can see auto detect it. I just click on this English and you can see guys, English translation is done within few seconds. Okay guys, I just need to do anything. Okay, I can understand what that person meant to know, so that guys I can able to take different kind of projects from different kind of people. Okay, so the language gap is not there. Okay, people from Malaysia, they are giving you $50 guys, $50. You can place a bet on these kind of things. Okay guys, lots and lots of people don't know about how to get this project, and you can see there is absolutely zero bet. So there are more chances that you will get this money guys, this bet, because you are having this Google Translator guys, and you are absolutely amazing in understanding this thing and get your job done. Because guys, there are lots and lots of people. I'll show you how many people are there in this website. So it's a good chance guys, if you are my subscriber, then you are getting the job definitely. Okay, so just go now and just try to make money out there. These are certain simple, these are just translation guys. You can see Yoruba to English translation I just need to give. Okay, and they are paying me guys $50 to $100. This is a range that they have written. Okay, I just need to place a bet guys. Okay, I just need to place a bet, and I'm getting paid for that. You can see creative copyright for writing WordPress lists, and you are getting paid for that. Okay guys, $10 per hour. It's absolutely amazing guys, absolutely amazing. By just writing job, $10 per hour, amazing. Okay, you can see guys, I just need to from Portuguese to English translation, 27 pages. Okay, $100 to $250. Okay guys, whatever document they are giving you, okay, what they have said, 27 pages. It's a document of 27 pages. You do not need to do anything. You just come up in the document section, just upload your documents. Okay, just need to upload your documents, and it will automatically translate everything. Within few seconds your job is done. Okay, within few seconds your job is done, and you can get minimum up to $100. Okay guys, so it's absolutely amazing guys. You just need to spend some hours. You can see guys, $1,000 to $3,000 for writers. Okay, if you are from different background guys, if you are from different background, you can see you can set up your own niche. If a person from sales and marketing, they can also do it. Okay, from different background, they just need to perform some operations and they are good to go. Absolutely amazing guys. Okay, it's a most genuine website guys, and you do not have to spend any kind of such things. So guys, I hope you like this video, because every single day I'm going to show you different kind of websites where you can contribute your services on the online platform. Lots of my subscribers don't know these kind of things, and I just do recommend you to please subscribe to my channel, so that guys there is always a motivation to give you the best content, so that you can utilize your time on these kind of website and can earn money by just spending some time on this website, and you are good to go. Okay guys, just small tips I just want to give you guys. Just subscribe to it, so that guys you can get to know that there are more than hundreds of opportunities to earn money online. And if you are having any doubts guys, any doubts, just write down on the comment section, and I help you guys always, day and night. I'll help you guys to rectify your doubts. Okay guys, We'll see you in the next video, guys.